now racing fans. Gates open, that up and racing sole provider as expected. Draws for your lead, moving up party outside Orient Pearl. Then running by the rail, Hadjok Mangaro racing in fourth. Race taker moving up is Friendly Fire. Then comes Bobon Lancer and Strong Boy is running at the tail of the field as they turn towards the last 450. Sole provider in command by about a length and a half. Orient Pearl opted to run down on the inside as they turn for home. Sole provider racing wide at the corner. Moving up by the rail is Orient Pearl. Hadjok is racing in third. Mangaro with the last 150 more to run. We have entry number 4. This one sole provider. Orient Pearl is by the rail. It's sole provider and Orient Pearl remains in second. Friendly Fire and finally sole provider. Orient Pearl, Friendly Fire, then comes Race Taker and Strong Boy for your Pentapecta.